Hey all guys, my name is Kumar, you're watching me. Let's start this new video without having any further delay. So this video will be the chronology of the routine of routine of 10th July 2024 of the day 217. So basically what will be actually happening in this video, I'm going to tell you if you're new on my YouTube channel. So basically what will I do, there is nothing that basically I usually uploads my English speaking routine videos on my YouTube channel to just improve my English speaking skills, and I upload on YouTube to just save my phone storage as also. And I also want that my videos will be saved for a long period of time. That's why I upload my videos on YouTube. So basically this is the thing which was happening. So now let me tell you today's routine. So basically last night I went for this sleep around 3:45 to 3:30 to 4 a.m. between, and approximately maybe 1. So basically this is the reason why I woke up at very late. So basically I woke up at around in the morning time, that is around 11:29. Okay, I woke up around 11:29, and I thought that it is around 8 to 9 happening. 8 to 9 a.m. was happening. So after that I checked my phone and I was totally too much shocked that it's already 11:29 a.m. and still till yet I was sleeping. How can I do? So basically this is the thing which was happening, and after that I have decided that I have to do so to get ready very soon. So I brought my clothes, and after that I went to the ground floor, and first I went for taking the pee, and after that I came home, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore all the clothes, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner, and after that I exercised, and after that I what I had done. Basically I ate food. What I ate today, I ate rice with soya chap sabji. Today I ate while watching the TV, and basically this is the thing which was guys happened. And after using the watching the TV as well using the phone, after that I went to the first floor, and I think that I started learning. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. And after that I didn't do nothing, I was just studying. And after that my one of the sisters parcel came, so that after that I went there to take the parcel, and after that I also talked to my mother, and after that I came, and basically this is the thing which was happened. And after that I gave the parcel to my sister, and after that basically what he had done, after that I went to the ground floor, and I told my mother something about that. I don't know what I do. I told that my sister brought parcel for us. Sorry, not for us, for us. Basically, the thing is that my sister brought parcel for herself. Okay, so I told to my sister. Sorry, I told my mother about all the things, and basically this is the thing which was happened. And after that, my mother gave me pointed guard plus potato fried and with chapati to eat. And after that I ate with the edit of I also added fun foods, and I ate with that, and as well also brinjal sabzi. So basically this is the thing which was happened. And yeah, so after that I watched the TV, and after that I came home, and after that I went to the ground floor, came home, and I went to the ground floor. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened. And at the time of evening, first I ate mango, and after that I ate food. What I ate today, I ate pulse and rice and bitter gourd fried, and papad. I still don't know what we call papad in English, okay, but I will translate very soon. And yeah, basically that I ate. Okay, so basically this is the point which was happened today. And after that I went to the first floor, and again I went to the ground floor, and then first floor, and then ground floor, then that first floor. So maybe I went like this, maybe left, right. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. And after that I went to the first floor, and I studied, and after that I'm shooting video. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then guys please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. Okay, wait guys. So yeah guys, basically this is the thing which was happened today, and that's all the things. And after studying I also I started shooting the video. So basically, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand till here. If you really understand till it, then kindly click likes it. Because if you like my videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. Okay. So yeah. So let's start today's 5 words, 5 or 10 words which we usually learn. Okay. So first. So what is the meaning of reading? Reading. So I think that I should start it from deeply in accountancy. So guys, I'm thinking that from now I'll start shooting the video at the at the daytime, like that. Yesterday's routine video I'll tell you in the daytime. Okay, in the next day's daytime, so that I can also learn the accountancy in a deep manner in a daytime. Okay. So yeah, I'm thinking that, and I will really make decision quick, and I'll tell you in continuously the routine video. Okay, so let's start today's word. Our first word is mortgage. गिरवी रखना. Please give me some money and please take this jewelry as a mortgage. Fictional, काल्पनिक. I wanted to watch some fictional movies so that I can also entertain and as well as I also improve my English speaking skills. Arrogant, Abhimani. You are too much arrogant natured person. I literally don't like you. Conspiracy, Sajish. I know it's your conspiracy. That's why you seems like that you didn't do too much. You are pretending like that you didn't do too much. Fifth word, Mason, Rajmistri, Mason, Rajmistri. Okay, so Mason really done the very hard work to get money. Capable means guys योग्य. I know that you are capable for doing the work, for doing that thing. Suggestion, सुझाव. Can you please give me some suggestions so that I can stabilize some things and I can build some good quality content. Starvation, Bhukmari. The peoples of the Sima of Puri were suffering from this starvation. Okay, how much word we have completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 2 words on daring and sahasi. You are very daring, nature person. I like it. And the last and 10th word is scarcity. That means coming. The scarcity of resources are the problem of the new youth. It's really a very big problem. We should also understand that, and we should develop and make a proper plan about the resources, because it is scarce. So yeah, let's start from bottom to the first. Okay. कमी, स्केर्सिटी, सांसी, डेयरिंग, भुखमरी, स्टारवेशन, सुझाव, सजेशन, योग्य, कैपेबल, राजमिस्त्री, मैसोन, साजिश, कॉन्स्पिरेसी, अभिमानी, एरोगेंट, काल्पनिक, फिक्शनल, गिरवी रखना, मॉर्गेज, उधार देना, लैंड, अंतिम संस्कार, फ्यूनरल, मंदबुद्धि, मोरॉन, जानबूझकर, डेलिबरेटली, ढीला दोस्त, भरोसेमंद, रिलायबल, भविष्यवाणी, प्रेडिक्शन, असमर्थ, अनिवर, बेकार, यूजलेस, गरीबी, पॉवर्टी, मसलना, मैस, पिघलना, मैल. आश्चर्यचकित, एस्टोनिश, बहस, आर्ग्यूमेंट, हलवाई, कन्फ्लेक्शनर, लोहार, ब्लैकस्मिथ, सुनार, गोल्डस्मिथ, मोची, कॉबलर, दर्जी, टेलर, नाई, बार बार जवाब दे, काउंटेबल, दिखावा करना, प्रिटेंड, दिखावा करना, प्रिटेंड, मेहनती, लेबोरियस, आनंद, प्लेजर, सहानुभूति, सिंपथी, दौलत, वेल्थ, मानी, गार्डनर, कसाई, बच्चर, ससुराल, इन लॉस, मंगेतर, फियांस, बेचना, सेंट, मलाई, क्रीम, चटनी, सॉस, दुकान, स्टॉर्म, मिट्टी, सॉइल, बाढ़, फ्लड, भूकंप, अर्थक्वेक, ज्वालामुखी, वोल्केनो, सिटी, विल्सन, उधार लेना, बोरो, मसूर दाल, लेंटिल, दाल, पल्स, आटा, फ्लोर, उबासी रहना, यौनिंग, मुलायम, सॉफ्ट, बरसाती, रेनी, झाग, फोम, रोग, डिजीज, बोना, द्वार, पागलपन, लुनेसी, लंगड़ा, लेन, बहरा, डीप, गूंगा, डम, अंधा, ब्लाइंड, नाश्ता, ब्रेकफास्ट, नारी, ड्रेन, झाड़ू, ब्रूम, आंसू, टीयर्स, पत्थर, स्टोन, ईट, ब्रिक, धागा, रेड, सुई, निडल, चलना, क्लाइंब, फेंकना, थ्रो, याद दिलाना, रिमाइंड, थका हुआ, टायर्ड, रूपा, केक, पिंजरा, केज, कंबल, ब्लैंकेट, तलवार, स्वॉर्ड, हमेशा, फॉरएवर, हड्डी, बोन. I think I'm speaking at the medium level of the speed of mind while speaking. I should increase the speed of speaking. Right. एड़ी, हील, कीड़ा, कुकुम्बर, कबूतर, पिजियन, लहसुन, जिंजर, लहसुन, गार्लिक, अदरक, जिंजर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, अफवाह, ह्यूमर, भ्रष्टाचार, करप्शन, हत्या, मर्डर, सिंदूर, घर, मिलियन, शाबाश, वेल्डन, बेशक, ऑफकोर्स, निचोड़ना, स्क्वीज, सेकना, बेक, पीसना, ग्राइंड, छानना, स्ट्रेन, छीना, पील, कंजूस, माइजर, जो कोई भी, होएवर, जो कुछ भी, विचएवर, परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन, कांपना, थ्रेटन, ट्रेम्बल, कांपना, ट्रेम्बल, चुकलखोर, स्नेचर, विधवा, विडो, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, किराएदार, टेनेंट, रिश्तेदार, गेस्ट, मेहमान, गेस्ट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, मेहमान, गेस्ट, बातुनी, स्नेचर, अनपढ़, इलिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, बातुनी इज गैरुलस, अनपढ़, लिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, इलिटरेट, समझदार, सेंसिबल, किसको, ऊन, किसका, हूस, किसको, ऊन, किसका, हूस, अजीब, विचित्र, बियर्ड, घटिया, सौडी, फौजी, सैनिक, सोल्जर, दया, मर्सी, पापी, सिनर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, जुआरी, गैमलर, धमकी देना, प्रयत्न, गड्ढा, फेक, टीचर, मठ, बोना, द्वार, बचाने से दूर, लिबर्टी, सोटायर, सूर्य, सत्यानाश, दैविक, प्रदीप, हसीना, इंकारी, हेरोइन, चुड़ैल, बेच, मर्दान, भूल, श्राप, कर्ज, खजड़ी, एचिंग, वफादार, लॉयल, शपथ लेना, और जाति, जाति, कास्ट, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, संघर्ष, स्ट्रगल, आचार, टिकल, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी, अपराध, क्राइम, आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, इरादा, इंटेंशन, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, मासूम, इनोसेंट, भर्ती, और धड़कन, हर्ट बीट, डरपोक, कायर, कोवर्ड, झूला, स्विंग, इच्छा, डिज़ायर, घाव, बाउंड, घूरना, स्टेयर, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, उचित, प्रॉपर, उलझन, कन्फ्यूजन और डिलेमा, उम्मीद, होप, हालत, हैबिट, भाग्य, फेट, थोड़ा, लिटिल बिट, तालमेल, कन्वर्जेशन, कोऑर्डिनेशन, जिद्दी, स्टबर्न, उत्साह, एंथुजियाज्म, उपाय, रेमेडी और सॉल्यूशन, दिमाग, सीख, आदत, हैबिट, बातचीत, कन्वर्जेशन, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रस्ताव, प्रपोजल, प्राचीन, एंसाइन, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, तरक्की, प्रोग्रेस, जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस, उपयुक्त, एप्रोप्रिएट, मूली, रेडिश, पालक, स्पिनच, शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, बर्तन एंड यूटेंसिल, जड़ी बूटी, हर्ब, कमर, वेस्ट, चोट, इंजरी, कपड़े धोने का स्नान, नॉलेज, चश्मा, ग्लासेस, कांच, ग्लास, पैदल, चोट, नतीजा, आउटकम के बजाय स्ट्रीट, मुश्किल से बैठ गया, आधी रात, मिडनाइट, खाली मेरी सैंडली, आज रात को राइट, पक्का, श्योर, पर्दे, क्रेडिट के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, बगल में डिसाइड, पकड़ना, कैच, खिलाना, चीट, मौका, बात, रहना, तय, विचार, और न्याय, जस्टिस, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, विरोध करना, प्रोटेस्ट, पहुँचना, राय, नीचे दिखाना, हिंदी, बेवकूफ़, नासमझ, सिली, डांटना, स्कूल, बदनाम करना, डिफेंड, लगाव, अपेक्षा, निष्पाती करना, फ्लर्ट, कुंवारा, बैचलर, बहादुर, ब्रेव, तहखाना, मिसगाइड, परेशानी, ट्रबल, अंधविश्वास, was so थोड़े स्टेशन पास है खटखटाना नॉक बनाना क्रिएट नीचे बिहाइंड सचमुच लिटरली ज़रूरी एसेंशियल निश्चित रूप से प्रेरित कुछ इंसान और इस पर धीरे स्पेशल लिफाफा एम्बुलेंस समझाना इसके आश्चर्य वाटर आरामदायक कंफर्टेबल लेआउट ड्रिंक स्नास ब्रेक भक्त डिवोटी उत्सव बेगर आत्मा सोच बेचैनी एंजाइटी स्वीकार करना एक्नॉलेज. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand Hilliard. If you really understand Hilliard, then kindly please like it. Okay. So yeah, I think that this is enough for today. So let's calculate how much word we have learned today. Okay. So yeah. So here is no. 30. 32 plus 32 32 plus 32 32 plus 32 guys and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 So guys, we have learned 244 words. Okay, from the first two, if I compare with 30 plus 244 divided by 5. So we have learned 48 days. But if I compare 10 only 40 days, approximately 40 to 41 days. I have taken the decision from I will learn from here 5 to 10 words. But if most of the days I have already learned from about the 5 days. And some of the days I also learned 10 5. In most of the days I learned 5 words, but and some of the days I have learned 10 words or vocabulary. So that's why it is calculated in the 48.8 days. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. Okay, so I think that it is enough for today. Let's end the video guys. See you all day. Bye bye.